students of CISCE International School in Coimbatore gather here on this beautiful beach today, not just to enjoy its beauty, but to take part in preserving it. As students, we have the responsibility of protecting our planet and its resources. Beaches like this one are not just recreational spaces. They are also habitats for countless ecosystems and species.
Human activities have polluted our oceans and coastlines. By participating in this beach cleanup, we are taking a crucial step towards mitigating the harm caused by pollution. We are collecting trash, removing harmful plastics, and restoring the natural beauty of this ecosystem. Our efforts seem small, but collective action can lead to significant action. Let's work together to create a cleaner, greener, and a sustainable world.
கொஞ்சமாக உள்ள அரிக்க ஆரம்பிக்குது. இந்த மரம் வந்து இந்த வரிசையில் இருக்கிற மரங்கள்லாம் இப்போ போயிடுச்சு. இன்னும் ஒரு 4-5 வருஷம் இறந்துருச்சுன்னா அந்த ஒயிட் கலரில் பாமா வெளியே வந்துடும்.
Thanks to the Mangrove Conservation in Rameshwaram. We are from CISCE International School in Coimbatore. We are thankful and happy for such a wonderful opportunity to plant these seeds. Have you ever wondered why we are here today to plant these seeds? Here is the answer to your question. Mangroves provide habitat for diverse marine life, protect shorelines from erosion and support fisheries. They also help in mitigate climate changes by sequestering carbon. Today we are continuing as we look conservation effort in planting mangroves. Looking forward for sustainable fishing, community engagement. The olive ridley turtle hatchery in Rameshwaram is a conservation effort to protect the vulnerable olive ridley sea turtle species. We, the students of CISCE International School, feel excited and overwhelmed in being here at the turtle hatchery located on the beach of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, India.
The primary goal is to increase the population of olive ridley turtle by giving a safe environment for the eggs to hatch and for the hatching to reach the ocean. They follow various conservation methods such as egg collision, incubation, hatching releasing during the night time. Monitoring, research, commitment is a global responsibility. They preserve biodiversity and ensure the health of our planet.
Ksirs Live.